2017 Toyota Corolla. Then I'm going to show you how to change out your air filter. A very simple and quick do-it-yourself or replacement. When you open the hood, this is the air filter housing box right here. Okay, there's two tabs, one here and one on the other side over here, right here. Just snap these two back like this and then lift it up gently. Okay, you gotta push it backwards to remove it from remove these tabs from this here, and then you lift it up. Just gently push this up, remove your filter like this, and get your new one. Just slide it back in like this. Make sure it seats in. Okay, it's back in. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand. Make sure this fits in back here, and then you snap this two clips back in, and that's it. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos, share the video, give it a thumbs up, leave any question, comments, and thanks for watching.